This summer afternoon, I will be painting Bridalveil Falls from a roadside vantage point. I'm going to pretend that it is spring when there is a lot more water falling. First, I make a contour drawing of my watercolor composition. While watching my subject, I draw lines on the paper, glancing at the paper from time to time. The trick is to draw quickly and with confidence, while I pretend that the pencil point is touching my subject. I always keep my painting and drawing instruments rolled up in a bamboo sushi mat. Pencils, pens, brushes, flats and rounds, including a toothbrush for scrubbing and for spatter effects. I begin by laying in my washes, beginning with my yellow. And now I am painting in the shades and the shadows, blending my colors using a flat 1-inch brush. More color, more shadows. I am leaving Bridalveil Falls white for now. I want it to appear as it does in the spring with lots of water. You will notice that I am using a fairly large brush with a worn-out point to put in the shapes that will remind the viewer of trees and vegetation. I always have a tissue ready to lighten my color applications when necessary. I want to direct the viewer's eye to enter from the bottom and lead into the painting. Since our eyes are attracted to light, the dark shapes on both sides keep the eyes in the painting and from wandering off to the edges. My intention is to create the feeling of mist at the bottom of the falls and in the painting. I use a spread Chinese calligraphy brush dipped in gray paint to make the texture on the granite cliffs. Finally, I stand back and view my painting and my subject to see if I am satisfied, and I am. I hope you will have an opportunity to paint in Yosemite soon.